Cortexi Support, a formula for healthy hearing. In a world filled with constant noise and auditory stimuli, preserving our hearing health is paramount. Recognizing this need, Cortexi Support presents a groundbreaking formula tailored to support and maintain healthy hearing. Developed through extensive research and cutting-edge technology, Cortexi Support offers a comprehensive solution for individuals seeking to safeguard their auditory well-being. At the heart of Cortexi Support lies a blend of natural ingredients carefully selected for their proven benefits in promoting optimal hearing function. These ingredients work synergistically to address various aspects of auditory health, ranging from protecting delicate ear structures to enhancing auditory nerve function. Key components of Cortexi Support's formula include 1. Antioxidants. Free radicals generated by exposure to noise and environmental toxins can damage the delicate structures of the inner ear. Cortexi Support incorporates powerful antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like zinc and selenium, to neutralize these harmful molecules and protect against oxidative stress. 2. Vitamin B complex, essential for nerve health and neurotransmitter function. B vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the auditory system. Cortexi Support includes a balanced blend of B vitamins, including B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B6 pyridoxine, and B12 cobalamin, to support healthy nerve signaling and overall auditory function. 3. Herbal extracts. Cortexi Support harnesses the therapeutic properties of botanical extracts known for their beneficial effects on hearing health. Ingredients such as ginkgo biloba and vinpocetine have been shown to improve circulation to the inner ear, enhance oxygenation, and support nerve cell regeneration, contributing to better auditory function and clarity. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found abundantly in fish oil, omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Additionally, research suggests that omega-3s may help protect against age-related hearing loss by reducing inflammation in the auditory system and promoting blood flow to the inner ear. 5. Coenzyme Q10. CoQ10. As a vital component of cellular energy production, CoQ10 is particularly abundant in tissues with high metabolic activity, such as the inner ear. Cortexi Support includes CoQ10 to support mitochondrial function, enhance cellular energy production, and promote the overall health and resilience of auditory cells. By incorporating these scientifically validated ingredients into its formula, Cortexi Support provides a comprehensive approach to preserving and enhancing hearing health. Whether you're looking to safeguard your ears from the rigors of daily life or seeking to support optimal auditory function as you age, Cortexi Support offers a natural and effective solution for promoting lifelong auditory wellness. Disclaimer: before starting any new supplement regimen, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, particularly if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications that may interact with the ingredients in Cortexi Support.